Welcome back. Today I make a new video, but not about game development in specific, or not about a game I just developing. It's just about a site. It's called HackerRank, and what it does is somehow build a rank over all developers that are registered in this platform. And I don't know how I can. Oh, that's. I think this is a ranking for different contests or different practice categories. For example, algorithms. Who's the best algorithm man? Oh, he's from India, and then from the United States. And I'm the last one. Maybe. Yeah, because I just registered. And yeah, I want to try it out. And maybe you want to have a look how I'm doing. And I start with a 30 days of code challenge. Yeah. So it looks like every day one challenge is unlocking. So day 0, hello world. It's nice. They start counting with 0. So as you can see, you have a problem here, as far as I know, and a task, and yeah. Let's skip that. Who needs descriptions? We want a code, right? So we have sample input, welcome to 30 days of code, and sample output, hello world, welcome to 30 days of code. Okay, it looks like an hello world program. So and as far as I can see here, it's some kind of Java, or yes, it's Java 7. So okay. System in, it's a scanner, input, next line, scan, close, print out, hello. Okay. We are nearly there, I guess. It's not that hard. Just print the same string out that you just read. Okay. The nice thing here is it's really compiling the code that you just wrote. And I think they do some kind of a unit test or something to just test if your work is correct in some kind of way. So, and now I'm... What? They kicked me directly to algorithm dynamic programming and 2 robots. Oh, what? Enter your code here. Read input for the standard in, please output to standard out. And it's Java. Can I have a different? Can I have C#? Oh yeah. Can I have ABAP? No, I guess not. So Java is okay. Java 8. Okay. Let's take that. No, I can't start with dynamic programming. It's one of the hardest things. You have to think about that a little bit. And as you see here, it's too complex. I want to have easy fun. I just started with a hello world. Why can't I just go on? Algorithm, data structures, arrays, artificial databases. Indices. Oh god. Okay. Let's start here with an easy one. Come on. Can't be that hard. Array DS. Okay. So it's short. Should be possible. So an array is a type of data structure that stores elements of the same type in a contiguous block of memory. Yeah, that's what it actually does. In an array A of size n, each memory location has some unique index I, where I starts with 0 and ends at n-1. that can be referred as AI. So, okay, this is a different type of writing it. Given an array A of n integers, print each element in reserve order as a single line of space-separated integers. Note, if you already solved your C++ domain array introduction challenge, you may want to skip this. No, I didn't do any array introduction challenge. Input format. The first line contains an integer, n, the number of integers in array A. The second line contains n space-separated integers describing A. So there are two lines. First line contains an integer. Okay, so there are two lines. Okay, it's from standard input, right? Okay, n, and the second line contains n A space. Okay. Constraints. N is not that big. That's nice. I mean, it can only be 1,000 entries. And the array elements are not that big. That can be 10,000. Okay. Output format print and integers in reserve order as a single line of space-separated integers. Sample input 4, 1, 4, 3, 2, and we want to put out 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay. How to get an input? Standard in. Okay, now I'm string input is equals loading hints. Oh, can I get a new scanner? Scanner. Oh yeah, scanner. System in string line 1 equals input read line. Next line. Sorry, it's a scanner, right? What a noob. Find a line, read line, get line. Find a line. Oh, next. So now I should have two lines. So now I need an integer. Okay, let's do this. Int a equals new int integer dot integer parse int line 1. So now I should have an array A of the perfect length. Line 2 dot split. Oh yeah, I can split it with a regular expression, but should be fine. I mean, a space is a regular expression. String why do I need this? Really? Why? There's no need for that, I think. Int I equals. Oh, I should start with the last one. Forget how to length. Whatever. Should start with not the last one, because the last one it starts with a 0 and then goes on. So system out print line AI. Don't know. I think you can't even compile it. Compilation error. Oh yeah. In Java you write a string with a capital letter. Oh, one time error. Why? Download. Yes. Ah, okay. Okay, now I can. Yes. Back. Can't go back. Oh. So it is. Okay. Custom input. Okay, 2, 1, 2. One code. Array index out of bounds exception 1. Wait, what? 14 here. A 1. That's not. Why? I mean, why? I mean, this is a 1. So this can only be 1 if this is 1. This can only be 1 if this is 2. And if this is 2, this has 2 elements. And I'm accessing the element with the index 1. Your output 1. Oh yes! Go downwards. Hmm. 2, 1, 2, 1. 2, 3. Ah, scheiße. So. Why? Out of bounds exception, yes, that's split. Yes. I think that's why I'm not that fast. Okay. One. Okay. It seems like this does not work. But it's getting the second line. Next. What have I? Oh yes, next line. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. See, there's only little error and you just fail. Your output is nothing. Congratulations. Now line 2 is completely empty. That looks amazing. I mean, yeah, that's what I'm talking about, and that's what I want. So that's what we get in here. Yeah. Oh my god. This was painful. Because I didn't know the scanner so much. I don't work with the scanner, but because no one works with the scanner. And with this, yeah, system in console type. Normally you don't need that. Okay, next challenge. 2D array. Oh my god, this is fucking crazy. No, it's not. We define an hourglass in A to be a subset of values with indices falling in the pattern in A's graphical representation. So this is an hourglass, I think. Okay, because, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, okay. There were 16 hourglasses in A. An hourglass sum, the sum of an hourglass values. Calculate the hourglass sum for every hourglass in A, then print the maximum hourglass sum. Note, if you already solved blah, no input format, there are 6 lines of input, where each line contains 6 space-separated integers describing 2D array A. A very value in A will be inclusive range -9 to 9. Okay, 6. Oh, okay. Okay, let's test this. Okay, here's an hourglass. Hourglass is it's not an hourglass, it's an eye or something. Okay, but I can see here 2, 4, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4 is 10, 12, 13, 15, 19. So, oh, it's just explaining that again. Okay, so let's start with the scanner and new scanner system in. Yes, and I need an array of ints. Int A equals new int. And per definition, I know it's a 6 times 6 matrix. And yes. Maybe I don't need it that. Oh, wait. That way, right? Oh no. Do I have to fully? Nice try, but you just not. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, we have fully specified our A. So let's start. For int I equals 0, 0 I smaller 5 I plus plus. So do it for every line. For every line. As next line. So string line equals next line. So and line split string line as named calls. For int j equals 0, j smaller 5, j plus plus. So, and now we do something very uncommon. No, it's very common. It's aij. So for every line and for every column, we need the integer parse. It's every time the same. Parse int. Called j. I don't want to save it. So let's run the code. Good. It does simply nothing, and that's what we want to do, because now we have our array and now we have to iterate through all the hourglasses. So let's check out. Here we have 1, here we have 2, 3, 4. In every line 4, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines. 4 times 4. Okay. 4 int I equals 0, I smaller 3. So we have 0, 1, 2. No, it's smaller 4. I plus plus. So the same counts for j. So our class loop. So we loop over every hourglass. It's that simple. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, there are 4 numbers, and yeah. Okay, and now the sum. Int max sum equals integer. There's something with min value. So this is a good trick, because you don't have to check. Oh, it's the first time I said max sum or something like that. I like that, to set it to the minimum value and then add it. So if I have no entry, I return the minimum value. That's not that correct, but come on, we know we have those entries. Okay, max sum. Okay, and I have this sum, this specific sum, and this is a I j. Oh, maybe I can format it as it is. that should be funny. Now the same, but just a line deeper. And then I need this one again, and just so I 2 lines deeper. And yeah, as you can see, this is a hourglass, right? This is a hourglass. So next column, next line, next line, first column, second, third. And so I go over all these hourglasses. If this sum greater than max sum, or maybe equals, maybe it's integer min value and I want to set it, but I don't need it. Max. Oh, you can do a one-liner here. Max sum is smaller this sum, then it's this sum, else it keeps max sum. Yeah, whatever. Submit it. Hopefully it does work. Compile error? Can't. Oh. Can be, because it's missing a plus here. Was it that plus? Wrong answer! Why? Custom input, okay. Just test it against this input. No output. Yes. That makes sense. What? Okay, this is a very strange. Oh, you purchased to see the test case? No, I don't want to. Do I have anywhere account? Oh yeah, 100. No, I want to save that. Not for this easy one. Okay, it says 12 instead of 19. But this one should be reached. I think what I do now is just a little test. System out print. I check if everything is correctly read it. No, there is one line missing. It's a 5 to 5, and yes, it should be equal 5. Now the array is bigger. And it's still 12. Why it's 12? 1. Maybe this is 10. 12. This is 0. Why? This is the input. It just zeroes the last line out. Can't be. Yes, I just, yeah. Forget it. Oh no, it shouldn't work because there's too much output. But here we go, 19, yes, and it's only this equal sign that's missing. Yeah, stupid, but I finally did it. Yeah, fetching results. That's a lot of fun. So I think I'm done now. I will stop here and make a new episode because this is so much fun.